Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Made. So today we are going to be learning how to make a football flyer, or you might call it perfect. So you go straight to your Photoshop, file, new. We're going to be using 100 by 1350. Click create. So you might want to draw your shape. Let's draw shape like this. Okay. So let's change the color of the shape. Change the color. Let's use 490D1. Yes. 0. Okay, let's put C. Yeah, this C490D1. Click OK. Now let's bring in our image. Bring in our background image. I'm sorry. Background image like this. Change the blend mode to soft light. Soft light. So we are going to add the gradient fill now. So you create a new layer. Sorry, let's delete one. File, gradient. If you click on this, the basic gradients, let's choose this. Click OK. So you change the blend mode to linear bond. Change it to linear bond here. Now we're going to add our fruits. Okay, let's just first add our leaves to it first. Let's add our leaf. So you drag your leaf to Photoshop, place it like this. Leaf. You can reduce it. You can also reduce it. Add it like this. Okay, so let's add little drop shadow to it. Drop shadow. I think this should be fine. Let me reduce the distance a little bit. Yes, this is okay. Control J it for duplicates. Let's drag it to this side. Can leave it like this. Okay. Let's bring in our other leaf. Let's drag in this. Let's drag in this to Photoshop. Yes, like this. Let us reduce it so it will look different from the first one. Drag it like this. Duplicate this too. Drag it like this. So let's bring in our berry, our blueberry. Drag this in. Reduce it. Click OK. Drag it like this. Control J. Drag it down here. Control J. Drag it here. So you can actually play around with this. Control T. Transform. So let me add motion blur. motion blur filter to it, filter blur, motion blur, okay, motion blur, make it look more realistic. Okay, can control J to again, drag it like this. Okay, I think this is set here. Let's drag in our foot image, drag this in, foot, can reduce it, reduce it, reduce it, reduce it. Let's make it this way like this. Center, align like this. So let's adjust our image. Let's add text to it. Come here for your text horizontal like this. So for this we'll be using a alloy ink. Let's type yummy. Let me type yummy one, yummy. So let's make it brighter by adding stroke to it. Let's add white stroke to it. White stroke, yes, white stroke 18. Position outside, blend mode normal, opacity 100. This is the color, the white, pure white. Let's add shadow to it too. Drop shadow. So for the drop shadow, it's normal, opacity 100, opacity 100, distance 9, spread 46, size 49, noise 0. Click OK. But I would like to transform the image, turn it sideways a little bit like this. Yes, something like this. Let me drop this down a little bit. Yeah. So you can, however, add anything you want to add to it too. Maybe your client's address, client's name, information, you can add it to it too. So this is how you make this kind of flyer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you.